most people see a finished child car seat. But behind every seat is an entire ecosystem of engineering, automation, and quality control. This factory operates like a miniature automotive plant. Every production line here has one job: eliminate failure before the product ever reaches a child.
And now we came to the fabric and stitching line.
Every fabric layer is selected for breathability, abrasion resistance, and skin safety. Some fabrics are tested under extreme humidity and heat chambers for days, because materials behave very differently after years inside a hotel warehouse.
Next is the injection molding line.
These machines inject molten engineering-grade polymers under extremely high pressure into precision molds. Temperatures here are hot enough to reshape industrial automotive components. A single mold can cost tens of thousands of dollars because microscopic imperfections become structural weaknesses later. This is where the ISOFIX system is assembled into the seat. ISOFIX is a rigid attachment system that locks the seat directly into the car's chassis. No seat belt needed. Two metal connectors click into anchor points built into the vehicle, creating a solid fixed connection. This eliminates the most common installation errors parents make with seat belts: wrong routine, loose tension, incorrect angle. Each ISOFIX arm is tested for locking force, release mechanism, and durability under repeated use. An anti-rotation device, either a top tether or support leg, is also integrated to prevent the seat from pivoting forward during a frontal impact.
This is where a cooling system is assembled.
In Southeast Asia, interior car temperatures can exceed 60 degrees Celsius, so airflow engineering becomes critical for a child's comfort and safety. Every fan is tested for airflow efficiency, noise level, and long-term durability. These fans run for thousands of continuous cycles before approval.
And this is finally assembly line.
More than 300 individual production and inspection steps happen before a seat is approved. And every completed seat receives its own digital traceability record, from raw materials to assembly to inspection. If any issue appears later, engineers can trace exactly when and where the product was made.
This is a QC room where every component of the seat is tested before it's approved for production.
Fabrics, harness, straps, buckles, ISOFIX connectors, rotation mechanisms, everything is stress tested, cycle tested, and measured against automotive grade tolerances. Some of these machines run non-stop for days, simulating years of real work using just a few cycles.
If one unit fails any single test, the entire batch is held. Nothing leaves this room without a full inspection sign-off. And finally, crash testing.
A crash test lasts milliseconds, but engineers can spend months preparing for that single moment.
Because physics doesn't care about branding.
Either the structure protects the child or it doesn't. That's why this factory doesn't just manufacture products.
It manufactures trust.